Huawei H19301_V4.0 exam practice questions with explanations are available in the video for you to study. In Huawei's NAC, Network Access Control, solution, which authentication method allows devices like IP phones and printers to access the network without requiring client software installation? A. 802.1x authentication. B. Wireless authentication. C. Portal authentication. D. MAC address authentication. The answer is D. Dumb terminals such as IP phones and printers cannot run client software or enter credentials. Huawei NAC supports MAC address authentication, where the device's MAC address is used as its identity. This allows seamless access for devices that cannot support 802.1x or portal authentication. Regarding Huawei WAN solutions, which of the following statements is incorrect about its convergence, wide coverage, and high transmission capacity? A. Full rate interfaces ranging from 64 kilobits per second to 400 gigabits per second. B. Wired plus wireless coverage in any place and scenario. C. Full rate interfaces ranging from 64 kilobits per second to 800 gigabits per second. DSRv6 plus mobile phone-based deployment, enabling one-click service provisioning. The answer is C. Huawei WAN solutions support full-rate interfaces from 64 kilobits per second up to 400 gigabits per second, meeting diverse transmission requirements. They also provide all-scenario wired and wireless coverage and enable simplified service deployment with SRv6 and mobile tools. The statement claiming up to 800 gigabits per second is false. In the 2024 Gartner Magic Quadrant for Enterprise Wired and Wireless LAN Infrastructure, in which quadrant was Huawei placed for its campus domain? A. Niche players. B. Leaders. C. Challengers. D. Visionaries. The answer is B. Huawei was named a leader in the 2024 Gartner Magic Quadrant for Enterprise Wired and Wireless LAN Infrastructure. In Huawei's data center network solution, which technology enables the unified display of physical and logical networks across heterogeneous data centers, supporting multi-vendor co-maintenance through cross-DC interconnection? A. Lossless. B. Lossless. C. AI-powered topology restoration technology of the network digital map. D. Telemetry. The answer is C. Huawei's DCN solution leverages the network digital map with AI-powered topology restoration. This technology provides a unified view of both physical and logical networks, even in heterogeneous or multi-vendor environments, ensuring efficient cross-DCO&M operations and maintenance. Which of the following descriptions about Huawei Cloud Engine S6750S series switches is incorrect? AGE electrical or 10GE, 25GE optical downlink ports, 25GE, 100GE optical uplink ports, and flexible port selection B network slicing and VXLAN, supporting multi-service networks and secure service isolation. C. Telemetry-based second-level data collection with visualized and intelligent O&MD. MACsec supported on all ports. E. Built-in native WAC, wireless access controller, feature. The answer is D. The Cloud Engine S6750S switches offer flexible port configurations, support network slicing plus VXLAN, deliver telemetry for real-time O&M, and provide a native WAC feature for converged wired and wireless networking. However, MACsec, secure encryption, is not supported on all ports, making option D the false statement. Which of the following statements about Huawei's rail transportation wireless backhaul solution is incorrect? A. Provides highly reliable active-active links. B. Can be used to carry the train signal system. C. Achieves handover delay as low as 30 milliseconds. D. Supports video backhaul at speeds up to 160 km per hour. The answer is C. Huawei's rail transportation wireless backhaul solution ensures reliable active-active links, supports mission-critical train signal systems, and enables video backhaul even when trains are traveling at 160 km per hour. However, the handover delay is not as low as 30 milliseconds. This claim is false. Which of the following is not a factor that directly affects the wireless throughput rate of a Wi-Fi access point? A. Spatial stream. B. Frequency bandwidth. C. CPU performance. D. Signal-to-noise ratio, SNR. The answer is C. Wi-Fi throughput is primarily determined by spatial streams, channel, frequency, bandwidth, and the signal-to-noise ratio, SNR. These factors directly influence modulation efficiency and data rates. While CPU performance affects an app's processing capability, it does not directly determine the wireless transmission rate. Which of the following is not considered a basic feature of an SD-WAN solution? A. High-performance gateway. B. Hybrid links. C. One-click cloud migration. D. Plug and play. The answer is C. Basic features of SD-WAN include hybrid link usage, MPLS, Internet, LTE, high-performance gateways, and plug-and-play deployment for simplified branch access. While SD-WAN facilitates cloud access, one-click cloud migration is not a core SD-WAN feature. It is more related to cloud migration services. In a data center network, which of the following is not considered a physical connection component? A. Access switch. B. Core, aggregation switch. C. Server. D. Optical fiber. The answer is C. A data center network is physically built using optical fibers, cabling, access switches, and core, aggregation switches. These form the physical transmission and switching infrastructure. A server, while an endpoint device connected to the network, is not itself a physical network connection component. Huawei's WAN solution focuses on key industries such as energy, Which of the following is not a highlight of Huawei's WAN solution for the electric power sector? A. SRv6-based intelligent traffic steering based on delay and bandwidth. B. MACsec encryption. C. 10G Flexi, achieving industry-leading low-delay DSDN-based automatic OSMO with jitter. The answer is B. Huawei's WAN solution for the electric power industry highlights SRv6-based traffic steering, 10G Flexi for ultra-low delay, and SDN-based automatic OSMO for precise network control. While MACsec provides encryption in some scenarios, it is not considered a key highlight for the electric power WAN solution.